how to review page likes and interests activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review page likes and interests on activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings, and here you will find the activity log, and then just go down until you find connections. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.